Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back if you're new here. My name is Aurora. I hope you're doing good, and I feel like it has been such a long time that I didn't talk to the camera like that, but I really wanted to thank you all so much for all the birthday wishes in my previous video. I was supposed to have this video out much earlier to thank you all, but it took so much longer than expected to finish this little project. But really, thank you guys so much. It meant a lot to me and it really made my day. So once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. So today I wanted to share with you a little makeover that I was doing here in my living room. I always wanted to try to do an accent wall with some picture frame molding. So with my husband we decided to give it a try, and like I mentioned before, it took so much longer than expected. I think we used like 3 or 4 weekends to finish the project because we changed our mind several times during the process, so it kind of added a lot of time, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It was so worth the big pain and I'm really excited to show you the transformation. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. Alright, so here's how this area looks like for now. It's just a big blank wall, really boring, and for this project we started by using some painting tape to draw the different boxes on the wall and see how it would look like. We went to Home Depot to grab everything we needed, so we took 11 pieces of white cap molding, a miter shear cutter to easily cut our pieces at a 45 degrees angle, and last a cordless 18 gauge brad nailer with some nails. And with all of that we were ready to start. We struggled quite a bit because our wall was not leveled, so we cheated a little and tried to trick the eye by splitting the difference between having our pieces of trim leveled and having them straight compared to the wall. So it took like the whole afternoon and part of the evening just to do this part, and on the next day we decided that it will be much nicer to have the TV mounted on the wall instead of just on the furniture. And since I didn't want to have the TV too high on the wall, we removed the bottom part of the boxes to install the TV mount first at the right height, and then we'll decide how long the boxes should be compared to the TV. So I got this TV mount on Amazon, and I didn't realize that in order to have our TV centered, we will need to have the arm extended. So the gap between the TV and the wall was pretty big, as you can see here, and that's not what I wanted. Also, the middle box was too small compared to the TV, so we removed the other pieces of the middle box and made it wider. Since we didn't want to waste the trim that we already cut and to have to buy some more, we decided to just add some other pieces to fill the gaps, and we were really hoping at this point that caulk and wood filler will do some miracle at the end and that we wouldn't see the cuts on the trim. And spoiler alert, it actually worked really good. Now after caulk and painting, you can't even see that it's different pieces put together. Then we changed the TV mount for one that stays really close to the wall, and then everything started to look much better. So no gap between the TV and the wall, but also the wider box around the TV. So I really started to be more satisfied from here. So we could finally move on to the bottom part. We had a little break with Mr. Cat and we kept working on our boxes. Later, after caulking and fixing all the little holes on the wall and on the pieces of trim, I applied 2 coats of paint on the trim and 1 coat on the wall. I think I already mentioned in the past that I'm really tired of this furniture, but it's really expensive to buy a new media console. So I decided that I'll try to improve this one, and the first step is going to be to add some doorknobs. So I ordered this one on Amazon. It's a pack of 6 for $7.99, so really affordable compared to change the whole furniture, but I thought they were a little bit too dark, so I decided to use some rub and buff in the color gold leaf to lighten them up and have a more of a golden color. And then I just had to do the little holes in each door and screw in the new knobs. I'm also thinking about maybe using some planks of wood that I'll stain to create like a top panel for the furniture, so it will add some warmth and contrast instead of just being a stark and sterile white furniture. And maybe also to paint the furniture, I don't know, I have to keep thinking about it. Alright, so we're going back in time a little because while I was working on the wall, I received a beautiful accent chair. It's gonna be my last little change in this area. And it's from the website Dayalane. They've been so kind to send me this chair for free and see if I liked it. So thank you very much, Dayalane, for sponsoring this video. It's been a while that I was thinking of adding an accent chair in this living room, but since my space is a little bit small, I didn't know exactly how to make it work. So I decided to finally give it a try, and if it wasn't working, I could have just sent it back. But I really like this chair. It's just so pretty, the wood color with the beige cushions, and it was really easy to assemble. So I found a little corner for her, and I decided to dress her up a little with some throw pillows to add a little pop of color. So I'll put the link down below for this accent chair if you're interested, and if you use the code AURORE13 at checkout, you'll have 13% off on any purchase. Alright, so now my favorite part, we're gonna put a little bit of decor to finish this new look. So I'm gonna use this vase that I found at Kohl's not too long ago. I tried to find it online to give you a link for it, but even with the article number and the name on the tag, I didn't find it. But you can totally check in your store, they might still have some. I know that in my store here, they still have it, so you should go have a look just in case. And I'm pairing it with this beautiful pink peonies. Am I saying it correctly? I'm not sure. From Michael's. They look stunning. I love them so much. I ordered 9 stems, but in this vase I'm actually just using 7. And then right next to it I'm stacking 2 coffee table books and this beautiful textured bowl from Target. And last, on the other side, I'm also adding some books. And on top of that, I'm gonna add a wood bead garland. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna put down below all the products that I'm using in this video in case you need it. So all the materials for the accent wall, some of the decor, the accent chair of course. And if you like this video, please leave a comment or a like or even subscribe to my channel so you can help me grow and push my videos on YouTube. And I'll see you all next time. Thank you very much.